So, kain muna tayo. Tsaka tayo mamili. Have a list of things to buy. Tingnan natin. So, sana matapos natin for today. And then tomorrow, we're going to Newcastle. Doon din tayo bibili ng iba natin kailangan. Let's go.
Masarap.
58 pounds. Andito tayo guys sa paayusan ng kilay, eyebrow, something. Subukan natin. Nag-withdraw lang saglit si Marvin kasi cash payment lang yata siya. I don't know, pero at least ready kami. Papagupit din kasi siya and cash payment lang pwede dun. So we'll see, let's try. So ito na si Marvin. Nakapag-withdraw na siya. Show. Yay! Let's go. So we're going to put some eyelashes after my my kilay. So let's see if maganda. We'll see. Okay. So ito na yung mukha ko. Nakakatawa kasi para na akong puti. Di ba? Hindi ko sabi ko sa kanya, konti lang. Hindi naman ako parang pupunta sa pub. So, lang si Amen?
122.
Oh, 122.
Ganito kalaki lang?
Yan, perfect. Go. Tulog naman tayo kung gusto mo. Paano 140?
Nalilitan ako.
Oh, ikaw.
Hindi ba
Kay,
kagabi?
kay Helga?
Oo.
Ayan. Wala pansin. So, we have...
For Helga.
This is for Helga, 6 to 7 years old. 6 to 7. Oh, she likes Frozen.
Tapos si Kai. 67 din, di ba?
Yeah. Ay, ito, ang ganda. Ballerina.
Oo. Kai.
Wag yan. Ano yung tsura tingin?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Ayan, gusto. Sige.
Kai.
Ano yan?
6 to 7 din. 122 siya eh.
Parehas ba? Oo, parehas na sila ni Helga. Tama. Tapos, ito rin, Chi. Gusto ko to. Ang cute.
Kay Meg na lang.
So, si Meg ay, ayun o. Okay. So, we're done with the girls. Sino na yung next na? Ay, ba? Super Mario. He likes Super Mario? Oh, he doesn't like Super Mario. Go. Yan na ba? Ano ba yan, Star Wars?
Yep. Star Wars.
What age?
Pero 9 to 10. Hanap ako ng
Hanap ka 10 to 12. Yan, 17. Para medyo, ay, Pokemon na yan. Mahilig pa siya sa, ay hindi, si ano yun, si Helga yung Pokemon. Eto. So, tapos na kami makabili ng for the girls, for Helga, for Meg, and for Kai. So, we are just looking for Royce. So, Royce is 12 years old. I think, is it 10 years old ba? Is he 10? I think he's 10. So, I think he's 10 years old na. So, but we are looking for 10 to 12 years old na clothes.
Star Wars.
So guys, finish na ako sa hinahanap ni Marvin kung nasan yung camera. Halika dito, ako po ka dito sa tabi ko. So, oo. Tapos na kami finally for the things that we need to buy here in Primark sa mga pasalubong namin sa mga bata. Which is really nice kasi bumili dito ng mga pambata. Tsaka yung mga designs nila, no, Ching? Ano yun? So, yun. We're finished na. We're gonna pay. And then, may next pa ba tayong pupuntahan?
Wala na. Ito na yung goal eh.
Okay, so that's it. And then tomorrow we're going to Newcastle naman to buy other things na ipapasalubog namin. Tsaka kung meron pa kaming kailangan bilhin. Oh my God, it fell. Okay, get. On our way to World Buffet. Wala, ito talaga yung mga favorite naming kainan.
Sarap kaya dito. Chinese to
Are you
international.
Chinese?
No, international.
Let's go. Let's go. Natin tong steak. Is this the steak? Ah, hindi pala. Parang,
Oh, steak. Ay,
no,
sarap
the
pala
other
eh.
one. The
Ito
iba.
yung steak ko. Tikman mo. Wala man lasa.
Kap. Sino ka shot machine? Si
Roy.
Eves. Ah, si Roy. So guys, yan na nga. Pangatlong plate na ni Marvin to. Sobrang favorite niya tong World Buffet. Ako, ayoko na. Busog na ako agad. Kasi iba, ang tabang. Lalaban lang talaga ako sa buffet ng Filipino buffet. Yan talaga, dyan ako lalaban. Pero, because I'm reserving my tummy sa Dubai. So, doon ako talaga kakain ng mga Filipino food and mga restaurant doon. Like mga Inasal, Chowking, ganun. So, yan. Sorry talaga sa pilikmata ko. Ewan ko ba? Ewan ko ba? Ba't nilalaban ko tong pilikmata ko? So, after this, uwi na talaga kami kasi it's already at 5. And it's time for us to go home. Then, early tomorrow naman, we're going to Newcastle. Good morning, guys. We're going now to Newcastle. Nakakatawa, wala na yung pilikmata ko. Tinanggal ko siya actually kagabi kasi nga, uncomfortable. Hindi talaga para sa akin yung mga ganun kakapal na pilikmata. So, binili ko to kasi ang pangit ng voice ko, parang may ganun. So, it will prevent that. As if naman importante yung mga sinasabi ko. So, what are the things that we're gonna do in Newcastle? So, first, we're going to eat in Jollibee na naman, paulit-ulit. Pero ganun talaga, girl. So, if you want to eat Filipino food, punta ka na lang sa Jollibee. We're going to buy pasalubong for the wives ng mga best friends na. So, let's see. I am aiming to buy Dior lip gloss, which is very, very nice. I'm also buying one for myself. Monday, kasi gutom. Sit not. Kasi ganda.
Oo.
Told ya. Small lang. Okay.
Can we have 3 of these?
3 of those.
Then,
Oh, you get one of that and then one of the petits. How do you pronounce
So your
it?
patisserie.
Patisserie.
So you could get.
Sounds posh.
You've got 3 patisserie there.
Yeah.
You could get milk to caramel, or you could
Alright.
get one of the everything, because we do the everything in the age box as well.
this one.
So
Much
I would
better.
get the everything.
Yeah, yeah. That's nice.
Right then. Your VIP card.
Yes.
Lovely.
Can I ask you, which one is
Bestseller.
the
The
bestseller?
bestseller is your 70%. 85%, so it's chocolate. So it's chocolate. We do the salted caramel. We've got a raspberry and praline, a honey. Fire and ice is peppermint and chili.
How about this one?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I'll pop you the receipt inside.
Thank you. Ang galing yung mukha mo. So, syempre, we're here again in Jollibee. As always, always, always. Walang kasawaan. But our yum burger. Super, super. Ano to? Cheese yum. Cheese with yum. Look at that. Alam mo yung mayonnaise niya. Jollibee na Jollibee. Oh, juicy, juicy. Oh my God. Ay, natapos. So, habang tayo ay nag-aay na tayo dito sa Jollibee, what we plan to do next, kasi tapos na tayo bumili ng mga chocolates from Hotel Chocolate. So, our next is buy a Longchamp for my handbag. I like Longchamp kasi even before, wala lang, very, sanay siguro ako dati. Ngayon kasi yung bag ko. So, bilhin ko. Then, bilinan tayo ng body bag from Lululemon. Then, I'll buy some shirts. And tapos na tayo. I don't know. But for now, let's enjoy our Jollibee. Hello! Show his face.
Just the item.
Thank you! So nice. Okay, let's go to Longchamp.
Thank you.
Thank you! Bye-bye! So we're going to Longchamp, guys. So I've been trying to buy Longchamp. So we already bought lipsticks for the ladies, for the wives, and then I bought mine as well. I'm just waiting for her to finalize everything, and I also asked for a paper bag so that maganda natin ibigay. So girls, if you are going to ask me what is my my perfume, this is. It's the Miss Dior Essence. It smells so good, guys. Really. Super bango nito.
Hindi pa ba ba?
Yes.
Hindi ako mga pabango niya
Super
dito.
smell really good. The essence. Miss Your Essence.
Then you can add it to your phone and scan
Okay.
it.
I love
I'll
that.
just sign you up with the same email.
Oh, alright. Thank you. So, she wanted us to get a loyalty card kasi feeling niya, loyal ako. Eme.
To your email address.
That's alright.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Have a great day.
Then one pistachio.
Over lang.
Then
Honey Glaze, gusto niyo chocolate.
Can we have the original honey, please? That's it? Thank you. No, it's
Oo,
okay.
gusto ko na yun.
Ha?
Naon ka ba na uwa? Yeah. Finally, tapos na kami mamili. Nakakapagod. Well, nakakapagod siya kasi mabigat yung dala. Oh, diba? Tingnan nyo. Ayun, so, nakapagod lang siya.
Mabilis lang.
So, nandito na naman kami sa favorite naming Korean restaurant, which is the Manasa. Yes. It's very Korean here. Pero wala kasi silang cheese dito. Kaya I always bring my own cheese, ang peg. Bring your own cheese, guys! Yes, it's my favorite cheese here. Ayan, so we're just gonna eat.
모르는지 꼬리 달린 불려시인지 생머리 휘날리며 말도 안 되는 마음 교환을 원하는지 다 알고 있지 너 하나에 흔들리는 내 마음도 너는 다 알면서도 괜히 모른 척 순진무구한 표정 미소만 알고 싶어 거짓말인 건지 사랑인 건지 둘이 별 보러 가자는 그날 밤도 내 마음을 흔들어 꿈을 꾼 것처럼 너와 함께 봄을 맞고 싶어 벚꽃잎처럼
Ay, napakahirap talaga umuwi from Newcastle to Borough because maraming, siguro yung time ng uwian namin. I mean, ang time na uwi namin is uwian. So, kung pag weekend naman, sobrang daming lasing. Kasi maraming pub dito sa Newcastle. So, anyway, we're going home finally and nabili naman na namin lahat na kailangan namin bilhin. And yeah, we're finished. Diba, Jing? And tomorrow, maglalaban na lang kami and i-finalize na lang namin yung mga dadali namin and magpapak na kami. So, excited for Dubai! See ya!